Hey, good seeing everybody here today. As you can see, I'm not in the office. I'm actually out in Big Sky, Montana with Karen, who's holding the camera. But we're here at Carson's Ascend conference. And what that means, it's really just the top 10 firms in the entire country based upon how they're growing. And thanks to you, all of our clients, and the nice people you've sent our way, we've grown a ton. And the growth doesn't just mean we're getting bigger, it means we're getting better. What you're going to find out soon is we've hired some new people, we've got some great team members, and that not only brings more talent to the office, but it's more skills. And pretty soon you're going to see some other services we're able to provide and so on. But today I'm lucky to have Dani Fava here with me, who's the Chief Strategy Officer at Carson. And I wanted to talk a little bit about artificial intelligence. We see it all over the place. It's in the news every day. Frankly, I think we're scared of it. We don't know where it's going. We see the Terminator movies and we think that's what's coming down the road. But Dani, can you share a little bit about how you view alternative intelligence with Carson, what we're doing, etc.?
Yeah, I've been working with artificial intelligence and machine learning for about 12 years now, believe it or not, even though it's only really hit the consumer space in a big way a few years back with ChatGPT. I've been working with it for a lot longer than that, and it really is an incredibly exciting technology, and we do use it to make ourselves more efficient, smarter, more intelligent, and do better things for you all, our clients.
So can I ask, how's it going to make us better?
Yes.
I mean, you see kind of people fearing that advisors are going to go away and CPAs are going to go away and doctors are going to go away, and how do you view it in relation to what we're doing?
It's such a great question, Steve, and I think it will empower financial advisors, but I think we have an example to look to that I love to use in this scenario, and it's doctors, right? Remember, WebMD came out on the internet and everybody could Google about their health and their health issues, and at that time doctors were scared they were going to lose all their patients. And why would you go to a doctor to talk about this thing if you could just find the answer on WebMD or find the answer from ChatGPT? And actually, the opposite has happened. You'll notice that people now pay for concierge medicine, right? You've heard of this.
Point.
People are paying, in addition to their insurance, thousands of dollars a year. Why? Just to talk to their doctor. Actually, what's become scarce in this, intelligent world, what's become scarce is the human connection. What's become scarce is the ability to pick up the phone and just talk to your doctor about it, and just talk about your fears and your anxieties, and have that human connection to tell you everything's going to be okay. I've seen this before. Here's what you should do. Here's how this is probably going to end, and here's how we're taking care of you. I view the financial advisor's role much in the same way, right? There's going to be a lot of intelligence that's accessible to you. You can talk to ChatGPT about these complex financial instruments, but who can you really talk to find out, is this right for me? How do you help ease my anxiety? Am I okay to retire? Have you seen this before?
Sure.
Right? And that human connection is really what financial advisors are all about. It's keeping you safe and easing your anxiety and helping you kind of shepherd you along the way. Even with all of this newfound intelligence, I actually view the role of a financial advisor to be even more important now, right? As people have more information coming at them, your role to kind of shepherd your clients through that is even ever more important.
It's interesting you mentioned that, because as you know, we market ourselves, we call ourselves concierge wealth planners. And we actually did it modeling ourselves after what we saw physicians doing. And so we've raised our minimums. We're very careful when we bring on new clients to make sure they fit, and that we're not bringing on too many clients. But what I'm finding is that we're able to increase the depth of the conversations, because maybe some of the work that used to take us hours to prepare for meetings now can happen quickly.
Yes.
And we can spend more time talking about things that are frankly really important, like kids and their family lives and the dynamics between those.
Yep.
Is that kind of where you're hoping we get to?
And that's our job, right? Exactly that. That's our job, to help you be more efficient and be able to, behind the scenes, process this information in a safe environment and have better answers from your technology and have better ways to present that information to your clients. So that's exactly what our job is to make you more efficient so you can spend more time serving the complex needs of your financial clients.
Well, awesome. I just wanted to show off Dani. She's a new talent, new resource to Carson over the past few years. Carson has hired some of the most incredible people that we're tickled to work with, Dani being one of them. So anyway, thanks again. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoy the scenery. Wish we could be sharing it with you. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Make it a great day.